Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix the issue of Copilot missing on Windows 11. This is a new feature, but it might not appear on your system for various reasons. Let's explore and solve this problem together. First, you need to ensure that your operating system is running the latest version of Windows 11. To check, press Windows R, type WinVer, and press Enter. Your version needs to be build 22H2 or higher. If it's not, go to Settings, select Windows Update, and click Check for Updates to update your system. Next, if Copilot still doesn't appear after updating, try installing Copilot via Microsoft Store. Previously, Copilot on Windows 11 was deeply integrated into the system, and you couldn't download or reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. This made it difficult for many users when Copilot was missing or encountered errors. However, the good news is that Microsoft has updated and now offers Microsoft Copilot as a standalone app on the Microsoft Store. To install it, simply open Microsoft Store, search for Microsoft Copilot, and click the Install button. This process will automatically download and install Copilot on your computer. Once installed, you can access Copilot directly from the taskbar or through the application. That's it for my guide on how to fix the issue of Copilot missing on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the Digital Know-How channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.